Hello, John Paul Thorne reporting. This is a cup of very hot water. And what we have over here, come on, we have corrosion on the battery. And you know the old wives' tale about using Coke and a toothbrush.
Which it works.
Yeah.
I don't know about no toothbrush.
But we came across some information that there's a way to do it for free. And this is the free method, hot water. Here we go. Are you ready?
Yes.
You got this? Now let's hope this doesn't explode. Because it says danger, danger, danger.
Come on, get on with it. Let's pour it on the battery very slowly. Very slowly. As you can see. Wow.
It's washing it
Look
right
at
off, isn't it?
that on both sides. It's crazy. Even in the center where there's some. Oh yeah. But do the battery stuff, the battery cable. That has nothing to do with it. That's just the holder. Wow. Look at that. That is amazing.
One more hot water. Over here.
So you can just a little bit. And then just pour the hot water on. Right here. There we go. Right there. Look at that. Beautiful as ever. Now that one. Get it on this all around it. So there you go. We have learned a new trick. And it didn't cost a thing.
$0. John Paul Thorne reporting.